Stop, because every morning, every person and millions of people wake up not because they want to, but because they have to. What if I told you your 9 to 5 job is not just a job? It's a system designed to keep you stuck. Such as you wake up early morning and go to office in rush through traffic, sit in a cubicle office for 8 hours daily just to earn enough to survive another month, not to grow, not to be free, just for survive. So here's the reality. No one tells you. Your salary is fixed, but your monthly expenses are not fixed. Inflation goes up, prices go up, but your paycheck, it barely moves. So you are trading your time for money, and time is the only thing you can never get back. Rich people don't sell the time, they build assets while you now for money. Money works for them. So this system was never built and never make and never helped to make you rich. It was built to keep you busy in 9 to 5 job. Schools teaches you how to work, but not teach how to escape the system. So think 1 minute. Years pass, you get older, more tired, and one day you realize you spent your entire life building someone else's dreams. But hear the truth, they don't want you to know. So you can escape the trapped system. So perform one thing. This not by quitting your job today, but if you changing how you think. So I suggest you learn high income skills in 6 months to 1 year. Build multiple income streams, invest your money, because freedom is not given, it's built. If you don't take control now, you will stay stuck forever. So last, subscribe for more financial truth. The Finance Codex.